Yeah, hello everybody. This is one of my first outside videos. I'm getting straight to the point. Ow. Yep, and this is actually a remake of a video that I had for a past channel that probably won't be up anymore, so don't try looking for it. It was a video where I took a walk around my grandma's front yard. And I think I called it Nature Walk, sponsored by trees. So I decided I was going to do a redo of this, but as you can see, there was a bend there, a hill, a bend hill. Bend hill goes down a hill to have some fun, rides down a hill. If you didn't get the point already, we're going to be in the bucket riding down the hill. So basically, instead of a nature walk, it is a nature ride, still sponsored by trees. All right, I already went on this a few times and it's broken, but we can, we can get around that, right? We can get around that. We're smart. See, I fit perfectly. Okay, now time to go. Time to go. Wee. Yeah. Time to go, old dingus. Dingus. All right. Time to go. Yeah. Dang it. Okay, I just broke through it. Looks like we're gonna have to need another vehicle. Ah, screw you, mate. This is breaking the rules of the nature walk. YouTube, please don't ban this. I'm breaking the rules because I'm not in nature right now. But let's see. We have a cardboard box. Yes, a cardboard box. Okay, let's try that. A cardboard box. Oh God, my eyes. That is way too dirty. Something's got my eyes. All right, it has the perfect form factor. Let's go up the hill and test it. Going up, and away with my... Okay, I just got hit in the head by a tree. Okay, let's try this old dingus. Oh God, okay, I am worried because there's more space in here than the... Here. Go, dingus. Dang it, I don't think so. Oh, dingus. Looks like this won't work either. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, this won't work. All right. While we do a back and forth vehicle switch, let me just tell you a story about how I was making a YouTube channel before this. But as you can tell, no, God, that is a cicada. I really did not notice that. Anyway, since it never got made, you can't look for it, so don't even try or you're stupid. So the thing is, my phone, I actually use that for the YouTube channel, but the YouTube channel was never made because and so in case I ever did get a YouTube channel, I would have this one plan, which counting, I would always be prepared by having videos I post on the channel pre-recorded in my camera roll, so that I could post them on the channel without having any hassle. Take that, YouTubers who have to take time out of their day to edit and make actual good videos. Man, you ain't got nothing on Sonic versus Lightning McQueen.exe over here, man. Anyway, I really don't know. representative of nature. Are there stairs outside? Oh boy, that's a long drop. Also, is that rhubarb? I think that's rhubarb. Yep. Also, a little thing. This goes out to all of you. This next message goes out to all of you. Shoot, I forgot the book name. Was it Book of a Strongman? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so for you Book of a Strongman fans, oh wait, never mind. Okay, I got confused. It's not Book of a Strongman. It's Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Huh? Who knew? Anyway, a message for all the fans of that out there. I have found the book with the diary cover, but it's a blank template. So I decided to mix both of my favorite fan bases. Well, both of my favorite fan bases, Diary of a Wimpy Kid and Sonic the Hedgehog. What I'm thinking of is making like Sonic Adventure 2, but in the style of Diary of a Wimpy Kid, meaning I'll take all the events that happened in Sonic Adventure 2 and just turn it into a book. So yeah. Nature. Oh wait, this technically still counts as a nature. What the crap is that? The ball. What the crap is that? Anyway, this still counts as a nature ride. Get ready, go!